I just woke up. It's 8:21. I never, ever sleep till 8. Like, I haven't slept till 8 since I was like a kid. Like, I was exhausted. Like, I didn't set any alarms. But what woke me up was all the people, like, getting out of their hotel rooms and, like, the doors slamming. Probably would have slept till 12. Let's get the day going, I guess. Brought my smart bag with me. Was able to fit everything with the bag extender plus the toilet paper. If you want to go get yourself one of these bags, these incredible bags, fit shoes, clothes, toiletries, everything you need, I have a code down below where you can get like 10% off your order. So they're really good bags. I'm not even lying to you. They're so good. Okay, let's keep packing up. There's so much stuff sometimes. Okay. So, and then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and we're gonna get gas. Although I think I might get gas on the way, just so that it makes enough. Cause I left with like, I don't know, 3/4 of a tank. So I have to like return it at that kind of thing. You know what I mean? Okay, here's my crappy cup of coffee. My crappy cup of Joe. It's so bad. The fun thing about home, oh my god, it's 3 hours. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, I'm taking the 2 hour 50. 2.5 hours, or 3 hours basically, because of all the traffic. It would normally take me like 2 hours and like 30. Anyways, we're gonna add stop. We're gonna do Trader Joe's. Yeah, we're just gonna do Trader Joe's. I still have my pad thai leftovers as well, but we might eat that for lunch when I get home, which I don't even know when I'm gonna get home. This is the fit for the day. A little bit unhinged, but I feel unhinged right now. Very tired. Okay, let's go. It's raining. That's why it's gonna take me 3 hours to get home, because people in New York, there's so many people, and when it rains, everybody gets scared. So, all right, let's put on some decent music and like, let's do this. Yay. All right, I got not one, but 2 donut holes, some non-dairy creamer, and some like chai-tea mints, which I'm really excited to try. Okay, also, it's so rainy. I think it's just gonna get worse. Wait. Let's just do that one. Okay. First pump I went to didn't work. So now this is round 2. The self thing doesn't work either. But I found a penny. Oh my god, look. I love pennies.
At 31 Northwest to merge onto Cross Island.
I don't feel alone.
We are currently passing through the Bronx. So this is pretty much what the Bronx looks like, right? So Basically it looks like New York, except for it's like a little more run down and a little bit more spread out. But yeah, that's what it looks like. There's a little bit more of a glimpse too. Yeah. So the Bronx is has a reputation, but it's also like affordable. So you know, it's just, I mean, it's the East, right? These buildings have been here for literally like ever. Yeah. Literally a nightmare because everybody and their mama uses it, and there's just way too many people. And I'm coming from Long Island, and my girlfriend was like, there's like 5 million people that live on Long Island or something like that, maybe 8 million. A lot of people live on Long Island, and you know, the way to get off Long Island is to go through like this, the Bronx and stuff. So you got people using this for, you know, from Long Island, and then you got people coming up from, you know, coming down from the north, and it's just everyone's in like shoved into a 3-lane highway, and you got like 2 lanes coming on. So it's just like a lot of people, right? And there's nowhere to go, so there just ends up being traffic, like 30-minute traffic. But yeah, this is the Bronx. Lots of graffiti, you know. There's trash. It's New York, you know? It's New York. It's not shiny, it's not beautiful, it's nothing, you know, it's New York, you know? You come here to grind and to be successful, and if you don't, it's gonna eat you up, you know, and spit you out the other end. But this is New York, you know? This is the gritty grind that I talk about, that I thought I wanted. But yeah, then I did the grinding in California, and I was like, the living situation mostly is what I'm talking about. And I was like, yeah, maybe not. Because having rats eat your food is something that I don't really mess with. Like, that's so annoying. Especially how expensive food is. So. Definitely parked illegally in front of my apartment. So, yeah, and so I need to go as fast as I can because I had to unload all my gear up here. I can't leave it, you know, outside. Sometimes you gotta hold it and then it'll skip all the floors. Sometimes. Fuck. Back on the streets. Okay. We're going to the gym because as soon as I lay or sit down, I'm going to go to sleep. I'm so exhausted, and it probably hasn't helped that I ate donuts and a banana and like 1 cup of coffee today. So. I don't want to work out, but I need to because I've been sitting for 16 hours. Okay, so I got my laptop running over there. I did my post-event report and like all that stuff. I still have to do my receipts. I'll actually probably do that now so I remember to do it, because if I don't do it now, I won't do it later. Okay, so basically I had my workout. There's a friend coming over and like I have to clean because it's like so messy. My cat pooped on my shirt. Like there's laundry on the bed. It just looks so disgusting. And I need to clean. So that's what we're doing. We're literally just cleaning, and this is my life. I just, I ran the vacuum, I cleaned, I need to do the shower. I'm trying to get the stain out of my shirt from my stupid cat. Everything is like making me angry because I'm tired. I mean, at least there's vacuum marks. That makes me feel a lot better. The vacuum marks make a big difference. It's the next day. I wanted to say how close my life is to being a dance mom. Only just recently my girlfriend has introduced me to the Dance Mom TV show. It's very interesting because in a way, yes, it's accurate. This weekend I've seen moms swear and curse walking past me, and I've also seen them be the nicest people as well. I've seen them, you know, give very judgmental looks, mostly when I walk into the bathroom, but you know, I will say most of this stuff is very accurate on this TV show. Again, I'm not living it, I'm not the dancer, but you know, seeing it from afar, it's pretty similar, okay? And so now I have a fascination of watching this TV show. Granted, it is a lot, so I can only do like one episode a day. I've recently came to the realization after watching the show is that, you know, my life is literally like a dance mom. I mean, just think about it, right? Like I go and travel, right? Okay, you know, I'm getting in the rental car. You know, I have to buy breakfast for myself, right? I gotta get the breakfast. Gotta pack my, you know, little snacks to keep me, you know, in it, entertained. You know, in case the environment or the other people don't have, you know, snacks or anything. You know, I'm watching the routines. I'm sitting through there, all of it. You know what I mean? You know, and then I come home and I have to do laundry. You know, so I gotta be doing all these things. I gotta, you know, make the girlfriend happy. Gotta, you know, do a lot of stuff. And I'm just like, wow. I'm sitting here. I'm like, wow. My life is literally like an episode of Dance Moms every single weekend. And you know what? Maybe I should start editing my vlogs like that. But I don't think that it would go over well. Yeah, okay, that's all I wanted to say.